Hey, before you think about scrolling past, picture this: you've just settled in after a long day, ready for a show or game night, and the moment the visuals hit the screen, it feels like you're actually there. That's the shift you get with the Hisense 85U8. This is for the kind of person who's done with weak color, washed out motion, and displays that can't keep up with fast action. You're the one who notices when highlights bloom, when blacks feel muddy, or when motion stutters instead of flows. If that sounds like you, check the current price and stock before values change. Panels this capable don't sit at good pricing for long. I remember when I realized my old TV wasn't cutting it anymore. I was watching a high-speed game and every quick camera pan turned into blur and judder. It was frustrating, like watching through a window smeared with fingerprints. The first time I powered on an 85U8, the relief was immediate: crisp, vibrant detail, ultra-smooth motion, and brightness that actually punched through glare instead of hiding from it. That moment of clarity is the kind of upgrade you feel instantly. Once you live with a display this capable, everything weaker starts to feel like a compromise. Native 165Hz and VRR make action smooth and consistent, not just better, but cleaner and more responsive. Bright HDR highlights pop with intensity instead of looking dull, and the sheer immersion of an 85-inch panel draws you in like nothing smaller can. Imagine watching a sunlit scene where reflections and brightness actually sparkle instead of wash out. Picture racing scenes where every twist and turn looks elegant instead of smeared. Gaming becomes more than a pastime, it feels dynamic and alive because motion matches your expectations instead of lagging behind them. And if you're hesitating because is this overkill? Here's the twist: once you'd experience visual depth and motion clarity at this level, weaker panels start to feel like they're holding back the content you love. That kind of loss aversion makes you wonder why you settled in the first place. Owning a display like this changes how you experience every screen moment. You don't just watch, you feel it. Vivid contrast and punchy brightness that thrive even in daylight, fluid motion that keeps up with fast games and sports, massive screen immersion that pulls you in deeper, rich detail that feels cinematic and alive, smart features that make streaming and navigation effortless. It's not the smallest screen for compact spaces. Premium performance comes with a premium price tag. At some point, you stop trading specs on paper and pick the display you keep circling back to in your mind, the one that feels right for how you enjoy content. Don't let this be the upgrade you delay and regret when pricing shifts or stock tightens. If you're ready for visuals that match the way you really want to watch movies, play games, and see everyday media come alive, check the Hisense 85U8 while it's still available. This is the upgrade that makes the screen feel like part of your room, not just another box on the wall.